Amazing all-time top security gadgets at next level. When it comes to safeguarding your home, there's no such thing as being too cautious. There's no way to guarantee that a break-in won't occur, which is why having a reliable home security system is essential for peace of mind. Whether it's robust barricades that physically deter intruders or discreet monitoring devices that capture every detail, these tools ensure you're always protected. Here are amazing all-time top security gadgets we all need. Let's have a look. Zero vision system. You can't steal what you can't see. That's the pitch for the zero vision system. If a burglar breaks in, the entire space fills with fog in 45 seconds. It's safe for people and pets, but makes it nearly impossible for the thief to find their way out. The wireless setup can cover up to 100 square meters. Worried about someone grabbing a midnight snack and triggering a foggy horror scene? Don't be. The system includes cameras and motion detectors monitored by an operator. If something looks suspicious, they'll activate the fog, usually within 30 seconds. If things escalate, the operator can call in a security team along with the police. Smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. A security device you should already have in your home or apartment is a smart smoke and carbon monoxide detector. These are essential for keeping you and your loved ones safe, so it's crucial not to overlook them. Fires and carbon monoxide are serious threats, and you don't want to be caught off guard. Smart detectors are the next generation of these devices, and if your current ones are outdated, it's worth considering an upgrade. What makes them smart? Some can send alerts directly to your phone, keeping you informed about what's happening in your home and allowing you to contact help immediately. Others can speak to you instead of just sounding an alarm, and you can even turn them off via your phone. Perfect for those moments when you accidentally burn dinner. Tando. Ever heard of City 17 from the Half-Life games? In the game, drones watch over everything, and now real life is catching up to that sci-fi vision. Today, small drones are monitoring all kinds of places. These drones, called Tando, rest on the ceiling on special charging tiles when they're not in action. When activated, they deploy with regular and heat-sensing cameras, providing a full 360-degree view of rooms and hallways. All that data is sent to the cloud and analyzed by AI. They're not just for catching burglars. They can also detect fires, leaks, and other issues, alerting operators instantly. The company behind this technology believes it could be more cost-effective than hiring human guards. Are we seeing another job being taken over by machines? Sublethal. When an intruder is already on your property, this remote gun offers a helpful solution. It fires non-lethal 17mm rubber bullets, similar to those used by South African police for riot control. While non-lethal, these bullets pack enough punch to inflict pain and scare off the intruder. It takes just 20 seconds from the dispatcher receiving a signal to firing. In more challenging situations with particularly tough criminals, pepper bullets can be used instead of rubber ones. Ultranet. As soon as an intruder enters, they might find it amusing to see the homeowner aiming a flashlight-like gadget at them. However, when they get trapped in the net, they'll definitely regret their decision. The Ultranet is designed to deploy a net that captures intruders effectively. Resembling a regular flashlight, the Ultranet device is about 12 inches long and weighs just 3 pounds, making it easy to hold with one hand. For better control during aiming and firing, it's recommended to use both hands. Once activated, the device shoots a square net powered by compressed carbon dioxide at a speed of 50 feet per second. It can be fired from a distance of 10 to 30 feet, with optimal effectiveness at 10 to 13 feet. The net is made from tough yet lightweight materials like Dyneema or polyethylene, making it very difficult for intruders to tear or cut. The Ultranet package includes a net shooting cannon and an extra supply of 20 compressed gas cans, sufficient for 20 shots, eliminating the need for frequent replacements. Wireless driveway alarm. If you want every part of your home to be secure, consider the wireless driveway alarm. This device is designed to monitor your driveways specifically, alerting you when someone unexpectedly parks or pulls in. Using sensors, it not only notifies you of a presence but can also emit an alarm to deter potential intruders. However, you may want to use it cautiously, as it might alert you to someone you know. But in other cases, like late at night, it can provide peace of mind. Barracuda. The Barracuda is designed to keep a locked door truly secure, ensuring it stays shut unless accessed properly. While standard locks can be picked or forced open, the Barracuda adds an extra layer of protection, making it difficult for doors to be tampered with by picking or brute force. Additionally, if someone attempts to breach the door, an alarm will sound, scaring off intruders and alerting everyone inside. Since it's installed on the inside, thieves won't know what they're up against until it's too late. If you're looking for a simple yet effective security solution, the Barracuda might be the perfect choice. APS MicroGuard. APS has expanded their safety sensor lineup, adding new options alongside their usual microwave sensors. They now offer infrared sensors and even dual-function ones that use both technologies. For example, the MW110 is an infrared photoelectric sensor with an impressive range of up to 110 meters, making it ideal for monitoring large areas, unaffected by rain, fog, or frost. Then there's the MW210, a classic microwave sensor with both the sender and receiver in a single unit, capable of protecting a 15-meter radius. The MW310 is particularly interesting, how it detects temperature changes and movement, creating a microwave wall that can monitor an area up to 11 meters wide. Voive G6 Detector. The issue of hidden cameras has become increasingly concerning in recent years, but with the new G6 Sport RF detector, you can finally feel secure wherever you go. This essential gadget offers up to 30 hours of battery life, making it perfect for use at home, on business trips, or while traveling. With 7 sensitivity levels, it detects all kinds of signal sources, and its enhanced optical and laser lens accurately identifies audio bugs, voice recorders, GPS trackers, and hidden cameras. You can also use it as an alarm by hanging it on a door. Thanks to its pocket-sized design, it's easy to take everywhere. Plus, this smart safe ensures top-level security, whether you're near or far from home. It features a reliable fingerprint sensor in addition to the standard PIN code, and it's spacious enough for all your valuables, complete with an optional shelf and 2 USB ports. And in the end, that's really what these kind of devices are there for, and that just about wraps it up from the realm of security gadgets and the kinds that you may want to get to protect your home, your family, and take care of your possessions. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications of upcoming exciting tech videos.